Hello everyone, I recently acquired these wagons which are absolutely ideal for carrying logs and recreating the trains I used to see after the storms of 1987, and indeed was lucky enough to work a couple of times. Now I know a good friend of mine called David on YouTube also did this, but I'm going to show you how to quickly make a log load. I purchased all these willow edgings from the pound shop for £1. Carefully measure your wagon to see how long it is. Cut the wire and begin untwisting it to release the logs. You'll soon have a big pile of them ready. Then cut them to length. Once you've got enough, you'll probably end up with two parts, shorter and large. Then measure across the floor of the wagon, and then using pins on a piece of soft wood, set out a template. Boom! Random shunter's truck. Begin building up your log load. Use a clear adhesive. Be careful not to get the adhesive on the top of the logs. You can even make up the small truck load. Eventually you will end up, once the glue's set, with a nice log load for your wagons. Hope this has been helpful. Cheers then, bye.